Jamie from Shanti, and a quick tip for you on one of our favorite best-selling essences, which is Attract. So Attract helps you to open your energy to receive. And this is not like a magical tree where you spray it and you know the money is going to just pop up and grow right in front of you, or someone is magically, your Prince Charming is going to magically appear. But it does help you to amplify positive thought and to help you radiate your energy outwardly. So sometimes when you're stressed or uncertain or doubting yourself, you tend to contract inward. So when you work with Attract, it helps to open you up so that your energy is ready to receive. And one of the little tips just with this essence is to pair it with either our prosperity for helping, to attract opportunity and energies of expansion and wealth, or even luck, or release it for clearing out blockages to attracting what you want and manifesting goals, or our Venus for attracting love. And also use Attract with our heart chakra essence, so you can make space within your heart for something new, and our healer within for attracting healing. So those would be some of my favorite Attract pairings. Thank you very much.